Who are these ones?
What do you people want here?
Oh, yeah, man. Biko.
What are you doing here? What do you want?
Yeah, ma Biko. Please. Why not let us talk to you?
Talk to him about what? About what?
No, talk to me about what? Yeah? Oh, you thought I'm dead. Yeah? You thought I'm dead. You gave the only woman of my heart to another man because of money. Okay, go. Yeah? Thinking I will just die off. As you can see, I'm not dead. I'm alive. Enjoying, shaking, jubilating with my family.
Oh, yes, brother.
Now, turn around and leave this compound.
Onyema, Biko. Biko, Onyema. We are in trouble. Please, save us. Frank the Don wants to arrest all of us because he wants his money back.
Yes, he should go ahead and arrest you. Eh? You've eaten, so you have to deliver. If you don't want to deliver, I'm making it a boy.
Shameless man.
Very shameless.
Yes.
Yes, you are our last hope.
Yes.
Last hope.
What's the last hope? Come on, Buffalo!
Last hope. Yes.
Last hope. That last hope, let it reach your mouth like this. Now leave my compound. You don't want to leave. You people don't want to leave.
Go now.
You don't want to leave. Chaka Golum.
Hey. Go now. Go now. Shebi, you know my brother. Run now. Shebi, you know my brother. Hey, mama, these people they were insulting brother.
Shameless people.
Hey,
Where are they?
Brother, they have gone. Brother,
Shameless
they have gone. They have gone. It's
Stupid
okay.
men. Idiots.
Men.
Hey. Shameless people.
They thought I'm coming out with a gun.
I know, brother.
They thought I went to... You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.